If you've been watching my videos for a little bit, you know that I love gel extensions. Those are the only nails that I really do. You also probably know that I'm 9 months pregnant and about to move. So I ended up packing up my gel extension supplies maybe a little bit too early. And now my hands are bald. So I've been debating on whether I should go and pay somebody to get my nails done. But I decided instead to do press-on nails. So I'm going to be applying the Salon Acrylic French Nude press-on nails. And these are from the brand Kiss. They're super affordable. I picked these up from Target for I believe $7 or $8. And before I apply the press-on nails, I will be doing a little bit of cuticle care. I haven't done cuticle care in a while, so my cuticles are grown out and a little bit crusty. So I ended up unboxing some stuff that I already packed up just so I can get some cuticle supplies. The box does say these press-on nails are a 7-day wear, but I'm hoping with a clean nail plate these nails will last a little bit longer. So first I just applied some cuticle softener to push back my cuticles, and I'm using my little metal cuticle pusher. And I had a lot of dead skin on my nail plate, so everything was coming up super easily, honestly. Okay, so I will be using some cuticle nippers today to cut off what we commonly call the cuticle, but it's actually the epinippium, which is this like little layer of skin that is kind of lifted off my nail plate already. I'm only gonna cut the area that is already lifted and detached from my nail bed, and try my best not to cut anything that doesn't need to be cut, because cutting your cuticles can lead to infection. The skin around your cuticle is really there to help protect your nails and prevent infection. But yeah, this was all out of focus, so let's skip to the good part of applying these press-on nails. So this press-on nail kit came with its own glue. It came with a little wooden cuticle pusher and a mini nail file. And I just went ahead and sized out all of the press-ons that I'll be using. And then I'm using this little alcohol swab to remove any oils. To apply the press-on nails, I did use the glue that came in the kit, and this says it's a pink gel nail glue, so it did have a little pink tint to it. I'm not exactly sure if it really made a difference on how the final outcome of the nails look. I honestly don't apply press-ons like these very often, so I wouldn't be able to tell you, but I'm probably going to start wearing press-on nails more often. They're just so easy. I'm going to be in my little press-on nail era as I adjust to mom life and just having a little newborn baby. Or honestly, I probably won't even give a crap about my nails once he gets here, but we'll see. And if I do want nails, I probably would just take this easy route of applying press-ons. But I am applying the glue to my nail bed as well as the press-on nails, so I kind of have like a double layer of glue, and hopefully doing this method will help my nails last longer. But obviously it's super easy to apply. This probably took me like 5 minutes to do both hands. And here are what the nails look like directly after I applied them. I didn't really like the shape as much as I thought I would because they seemed like really wide and I wanted them to be a little more narrow. So I just went in with my nail file and started filing the edges, kind of trying to taper them in just a little bit. So right now I'm buffing away the shine on the press-on nails because I decided that I am going to put a little pinkish nude polish on top just to kind of tone down, I don't know, I guess the contrast of the French. Like I wanted it to look a little more natural, so I'm just putting a polish on top. I'm using this polish. It doesn't have a name, but it is from the brand Mamita. I bought this on Amazon. I'll try to link this color if I can remember which one it was in the description box below, but this is like a really pretty natural pinkish nude. And then I was digging through my stuff to like unpack some nail supplies, and I just pulled out this little mini UV lamp. So this kind of took me a long time because I was only able to cure one nail at a time. So I did only apply one layer of that nude polish, and then I went in with top coat to finish everything off. And lastly, I just applied some cuticle oil to rehydrate the skin all around my nails. And this is what the finished product looked like. I think they came out really good, and I'm happy that I took those few extra steps to kind of customize them a little bit. I feel like they really looked good. Like they look like gel extensions, and I'm happy with the result. Hopefully they last long. Hopefully they're still on by the time this baby decides to come out. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're here because you like my nail videos, please be patient. The Gel X videos will be back as soon as I'm settled into my new place and just settled into my new life as a mommy. But thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Also make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and I'll see you all in my next video.